lovelies, welcome back to this mind-blowing video where we're going to see how to start earning $25 daily on this platform. This platform I introduced to you recently. However, I introduced to you, but you have been using it. Some of you have been using it for messaging, others have been using it for fun, others you have just using it for watching movies and even reading and testing messages. This is part 2 of it, whereby we're going to see, as beginners, can we make $25 on a daily basis? So now, did you know that 2.9 billion people have been using this, or they use this platform on a monthly basis? And out of these 2.9 billion people, some of them have used it relatively for earning money on a daily basis. How do they do it? They do it by posting posts, by posting reels, by posting videos, and even by selling other commodities and services. In this video, we're going to see exactly that how do people earn money from it, and we're talking about $25 daily as a beginner. That means after being a beginner, when you're an expert, you can earn more than this. Around $5 to $25 on a monthly basis is being on a daily basis, not monthly, is being made by individuals, is being made by businesses, and is even being made by groups. Now, in this video, I'm going to be bringing for you like 4 clusters, 4 parts of this video, and they're going to be mind-blowing. I know some of you have not been knowing it, some of you have had it in a rumor, but you didn't have proof. But before that, I would love to thank you, all our new subscribers and even our Royal Top fans. I love you so much. I can't fail to say you are our heartbeat. You make us, you made us, and even you'll continue making us. We love you so much. Now let's dive in and see this part of Facebook. Yeah, I've said it, Facebook. In the previous video, we talked about how you can set up your account, your profile, whereby you can earn $10 from the profile. But now we're going to see exactly where you can earn more than $10, because there is no limitation. We are talking about a Facebook page. A Facebook page, you'll be asking yourself, wow, why am I bringing for you a Facebook page when people can use a Facebook account? There are different reasons why we should have a Facebook page. By the way, Facebook page is one of the essential things that everybody should have. A Facebook page is a business page. It is not limited to followers, it is not limited to friends, and it is not limited to even most of the monetization tools that I'm going to be teaching you today. But before, let me dive in and I tell you some of the advantages and benefits of having a Facebook page. One, as we talked, it is audience. The audience insights are very clear, and you can always go there and understand them and try to analyze them. And on top of audience, you are not limited in any way of how many people should follow you, unlike the Facebook account. The Facebook account, it has a limit. Then the second thing why we should talk, or you should have a Facebook page, is monetization options. Monetization options are unlimited. There are very many. We talk about the use of AdSense revenue. We'll talk about sponsorship. We talk about paid post. We talk about others like merchandising, without forgetting there is affiliate marketing that you can put. By the way, you can earn stars, you can earn membership subscription. Now, the last but not least on why we should tackle and we should have a Facebook page is about organic reach. Facebook pages can reach global audience without any limitation and without spending any dime. It is very free of charge. What you need to do, you need to set up a Facebook page, and the rest is history. Now, the second part of this video, we are going to see the main part is how to set up your Facebook page. Why? We have already known why should we set up a Facebook page. Remember, we all want to start earning $25 in a day. I know someone out there is going to say, Christine, this is not realistic. It is not realistic. Yes, and it is realistic. In all ways, when you're making money, we have stages. There are different people who are going to put in energy and earn this money. And there are other people who are not going to put energy. So if you're posting one post in a day, I don't think you'll make $25. But this system of how to make this $25, we're going to come to it in another stage. So I want you to go to your Facebook account, the one we did previously. I explained for you how to make a Facebook account. When you go there, I want you to go to create a page. You're going to reach somewhere, as you can see on the screen, you click on create page. On your Facebook home page, just navigate to pages section and look for a menu. The moment you click on the menu, you're going to go to select create a new page. When you reach on select new create a new page, you are going to start. What is the second part of you to start on making your page? The Dropbox is going to come. When it comes, please add your basic information. Your basic information is almost the same as the one we looked at on our Facebook account, but this one you'll enter into a page name. The other side, it was your own name. Now page name. Yeah, you can choose to make your page name the same, or you can choose to make it related to your business or your niche or your service, what you're going to provide to people. For example, DI hacks, immaculate show, money hacks, Facebook growth, YouTube growth. Those are examples of your whatever you want to call it. Then from there, you're going to choose the category that best suits your niche. There will be a Dropbox. They're going to ask you what your business or your service is about. What it can be in health, it can be in sports, in wellness, in education, and other things. Then you go down, you write a brief description or what you're going to do, what you're going to offer, what should people expect from your page. Example, helping beginners to succeed in making money on Facebook, helping people to understand that there is money online. These are the things. Or helping people to lose their weight, or you mention it. That's what you're going to do. Then from there, you're going to upload an eye-catching visuals. Eye-catching visuals, what are they? We are talking about profile picture. We are talking about our cover photo. In a profile, in our profile account, it was there. So a profile picture here can be your business or can be what you know. It suits your business, or it suits, because this is a business page. So a professional photo, logo, or professional graphics can represent your brand. Here we are talking about building your brand. Then you go down, you also upload your visual photo. Your visual photo should be visual appealing, and it should also have a hint on what your page is all about. The next and the fourth on this one, making your page, is to complete your page details. Your page details, almost the same as page account details. You have to, if you have a website, you can add it there if applicable. That is, if you have it. If you can add your email, you can add your phone number and all that. Then you fill out other sections. You're going to see the section that are related, and you fill them up like that way you can see on the page. Now, after this, the fifth and the last on this is to customize your settings. How do you customize your settings? You go and adjust your privacy settings based on your goals. For beginners, keep your page please public to reach more people. Even if you're not a beginner, there are some people who are going to put it in private. I always wonder when I see someone is putting in private and is looking for people to reach him or her, or people to follow her or him. So enable messaging also to let users contact you. Some of us, if you know you don't have, I'm not going to encourage you that you broke the messages, because you need to build the brand. This was the second part of this video. The third part of this video, let's look at how to build your content to attract followers. This is different from how you're going to earn money. No, but I'm trying to show you, because this is the time we need to earn $25 from this as beginners. Now that we have known what a Facebook page is, we have known how to create a Facebook page. The next is to make sure that we build content. How will you build content? Now that you have set up this all, what you need to start thinking about making money. And I tell you guys, Making money on Facebook is not an overnight. It's not just a quick get money scheme. It's a process. So as you open your page, it's the first step for you to start making money. So for you to get money or to get this $25 out of the first step, the second step of building the page, one, you have to be consistent. I always tell you, you have to at least, on Facebook, it's not like YouTube. Facebook, you have to post 3 to 5 posts at least, of which post we can talk about. The post we can talk about, maybe you can put one video, you can go live, and you can also put a reel. Then the second one, you have to use some words, because if you put like for example, comment below, some of them we always put them, I always put them there, but others always put hashtag at highlights, others say hi everybody at top fans. So you could put something that call to action. Then you have to leverage on Facebook stories. I came to learn recently that Facebook stories are now monetized too. So you have also, the moment you post your post, you have to share it to your stories. And also on top of that, of being monetized, these stories, they bring enough engagement. They boost your viewership. They boost your clicks. So don't fail to go to that. The last but not least, I'm talking about the last part. You remember that we are setting up this account, this page, for us to earn $25 as beginners. So we are going to now to see how do we earn money from this in a short way. I'll be bringing for you a detailed way of earning money on Facebook, but today I'm going to give you a patch up for when you're setting up your account. What should you have in your head? At the back of your mind, you have to know that you are going to make money out of it. Is it like the way I've said, it's not magic. You have to make it. You have to do. I always tell people, you have to do and redo. You have to do and redo for you to make money on Facebook. There are some people who have been on Facebook, but they have never earned a dime. And there are some people who just came on Facebook and they started earning because they know the codes. So first thing you need to do, you need to know what are the ways of earning money on Facebook. I'll be bringing them in detailed form, but today let me give you you can earn in different ways. We have affiliate marketing, we have AdSense, we have a subscription, we have brand sponsorship, we have we can go to stars. There are many ways, without forgetting they also paid promotions. If you want, before stars were given to only people who are going live, but now stars can even be given on posts, stars can be given on videos. You can get stars even anywhere as long as it is eligible. You guys, this is the right place for you to earn $25 because you have this Facebook. I have Facebook. Now that you've set it up, what are the tips for you to boost your earnings? Someone who is there, say, I've been on Facebook, but I've never seen a dime. Yes, one, you need to engage your audience. If you know you've specialized on Facebook. Two, you need to join the Facebook groups. Facebook group contribute to you a lot of things, especially not any Facebook group. Avoid any because you might be banned or you might be restricted. So look for related Facebook groups like in your niche. Then another one, you have to make sure you track your progress. How do you track your progress? You go to insights on your dashboard. You keep checking. How am I doing? Where am I going red? Even if you're going in red, there's no worries. You can always push up. Start running Facebook ads. I used to run them and it is superb. Start with a small budget to reach the broader audience. This is for people who are selling. Imagine, I always encourage people who are selling their commodities or services to use this. But if you know you're depending on making content, I don't think you need to do this, but you can do it once in a while. So guys, this is the real way, the real deal of making money on Facebook. To make money on Facebook, you have to have a Facebook page. A Facebook page is not restricted in any way. You can only follow the good practices, and the good practices I'll be bringing them in another different video. Are you in a country that is not monetized, or you're in a country that is monetized? Provided you have a Facebook page, you can get an administrator outside the country where it is monetized. So stay tuned. I'll be bringing you more details about we have to go deep and make money on Facebook. Thank you very much. Don't forget, why I'm encouraging you to go on Facebook page. It has advantages. Don't forget how to set up your Facebook page. It is very essential. How to start making money on Facebook. You should know it. And also, what should you do to make sure you maximize